What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and on this channel, I share my tech information and I go on adventures. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, hit the subscribe button. I got all kinds of stuff here. So today I'm going to be talking about the 8min M400. It's a portable projector. So it's a 1080 projector. You can actually charge things from it, or it can power things. So I've used it with a Chromecast and it's worked great. Somebody asked me if you could hook it into a cable box. Right there, I got the Xfinity wireless cable box. This is not sponsored by Xfinity. This is just my personal box right here. I have it hooked into the 8min. I usually just put it on the wall or the ceiling or something like that. So some of the questions that I got was, will it hook up to a wireless cable box? Yes. Now, the one thing is that this 8min does not have a remote control, so you can't wirelessly control the volume or anything. This 8min has the volume on the top. You actually can control the volume on the top of the unit itself. The other adjustment on this box is on the 8min projector is your focus on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side you have your power. That's basically it. The connections on the back, you've got the power to the 8min, then you have your HDMI, that is your input. So whatever you have the output from, if you can get it to HDMI, you can plug it into this. I've used my phone, I've used Chromecast, cable box, I've used a laptop, used an iPad. So it will work with just about anything that has HDMI. Now, as far as the sound coming from this, it's okay. What you can do is, what I do, I have a Bluetooth speaker, and I get one of these wires, a tip and 2 rings on it, or I call it a 3. Plugs into your wireless speaker or whatever speaker you're going to use, and then on the back of the 8min there's actually an audio that you plug into, and then I'll turn the 8min to probably about 90. I don't take it all the way to 100, and whatever my sound speaker I'm going to use, then I can use that to control the sound. So now I've got this speaker, and you can go to bigger speakers, and yeah. So that's how I take care of the sound. Now, if you go to plug in the cable box and you run into an issue, power cycle your cable box, and that should clear it up. Sometimes there's a little syncing issue. And then with the Chromecast requires power. So what I'll do is I'll plug in the USB power first, then the HDMI for the Chromecast. It takes a couple seconds for it to boot up, and then it works fine. So if you have any other questions about the 8min M400 and how to hook it up to anything, leave a question down in the comment. Thanks for being here, and remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon.